If you want, we've had a load of guest speakers, we've had a load of kind of different opportunities, a whole load of different things, but actually part of the difference is what do we all do? And I think if I was reflecting again, Joe's comment from earlier this morning, we were sort of talking over coffee and she was going, yeah, but it's not just about people at the local level making a difference, it's about everybody, it's about regional, national, strategic. And I wouldn't have wanted to give over the opinion that actually I don't think I have a role or anything to do on this. So if I was to rewrite that slide, I would be putting it as we make the difference. I think there's an opportunity for us to turn around and say, right, well, where do we go? Remember that actually we all deal with change differently. And for many people, if we're starting to talk about how a criminal justice liaison service changes, there are people who work in a mentally disordered offenders team. Well, we're asking people to change, maybe think of different ways of working, or challenge new ways of working, or asking in-reach teams and community teams to communicate in better ways. And they present various different barriers and various different things. And I just wanted to highlight and say that we're actually, I know sometimes that's difficult. I hope that many of you will have spoken to colleagues and actually you'll be walking away and going, do you know what? I do a good job. Actually, I've listened to these other people, I do a job that's on the par with them, I think I'm doing really well, I'm actually making a difference. I think that's a significant thing to go home with. I also think, I hope that you will have gone home with some ideas or some opportunities or some new ways of thinking and just sort of taking some of those ideas back and thinking about different ways of going. We've all got that role to make a difference. And there is no way that change is going to happen unless we do all make a difference. What happens if I gave you a bill? If at the end of today, we haven't charged you for the conference, but I turn around to you and say, actually, here's some monetary value. We think for today it's cost us £49.95. Okay, how could I cost up what £49.95's worth of difference was, or try and liken it to different things? And I just put them up there just as a kind of range of different ideas that actually says, we can save money or we can do something different, and those little small steps, those different bits of money, do kind of make a difference. What I would like us all to look at is to say, actually, what differences could we do? How could we go away from here that would make a difference and that would enable us to sort of change the bit we're working in? And as individuals, actually, we can change the bits we control. You can moan at me about the bits that I can control. You can help me work on the other bits. But actually, the real bit you can make a difference on is the bit that you can control. I wanted to say thank you very much. I just wanted to pause and say I wish you all a safe journey home. Thank you very much.